The DJI Osmo Pocket series has always been a go-to option for vloggers and content creators who need a compact yet powerful camera. Now, with the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4, we could be looking at some exciting upgrades that significantly enhance usability, image quality, and overall experience. If the leaks hold true, DJI is not going for a radical redesign, but rather refining key aspects of the device, making it an even more appealing choice for portable videography. So, what exactly is changing with the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Let's dive into the major rumored features, expected improvements, and whether this upgrade is worth waiting for. Bigger, brighter, and more functional display. One of the standout rumors about the Osmo Pocket 4 is the larger, rotating OLED screen. Compared to the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3, this new screen is expected to be 2.5 inches with a 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits brightness. Why is this a big deal? Easier visibility in bright conditions, perfect for outdoor vloggers who struggle with glare. More screen real estate. A larger display means better framing and menu navigation. Rotating mechanism improvements. If DJI refines the durability and movement of this feature, it could be a game changer for usability. Enhanced ergonomics and build quality. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to be slightly heavier at around 190 g, which might indicate a stronger build or additional internal improvements. The grip is expected to be improved, possibly with better texture and a more intuitive button layout, making handheld shooting more comfortable and stable. For those who use the Osmo Pocket for extended filming sessions, ergonomics matter. Small refinements in grip and control layout could make a noticeable difference in long-term usability. Camera upgrades, 1-inch sensor, and improved autofocus. One of the biggest rumored upgrades is the 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens. This is a major jump that could greatly improve image quality, low light performance, and dynamic range. Why does a 1-inch sensor matter? Better low light performance. The larger sensor allows for more light capture, improving night shots. Sharper details and improved depth. More sensor area means higher quality images with more natural bokeh. Expanded ISO range. Reports suggest an ISO range of 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for stills, giving users more control in various lighting conditions. Next level autofocus and tracking. Autofocus has been a weak point in previous Osmo Pocket models, but this time DJI may introduce phase detection autofocus (PDF) with eye tracking. This could lead to faster subject detection and lock-on focus, better tracking in motion-heavy shots, reduced focus hunting in low-light settings. The rumored ActiveTrack 7.0 is also expected to bring smoother and more accurate subject tracking, making the camera ideal for dynamic shooting scenarios. For 240 FPS and 10-bit HDR, the ultimate slow-motion camera? The Osmo Pocket 4 could feature 4K recording at 240 FPS, which would double the slow-motion capabilities of its predecessor. If true, this will be one of the highest slow-motion frame rates in this category. What this means for content creators. Ultra-smooth slow motion for action shots and cinematic sequences. More creative flexibility in post-production. Crisper detail and better motion clarity in high-speed scenarios. In addition, 10-bit color, D-Log-M, and HDR recording are expected, allowing for better color accuracy, greater dynamic range, more flexibility when color grading in post-production. For professionals, these features could mean higher-end production quality in a compact device, extended battery life, and faster charging. Another exciting leak suggests that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could feature up to 200 minutes of recording time, a solid upgrade over the 166 minutes of the Pocket 3. Faster charging could be a game changer. Reports indicate a full charge in just 25 minutes, making it one of the fastest charging compact cameras. This is crucial for vloggers and travel creators who don't want to waste time waiting for their device to power up. Other potential battery-related improvements include better heat management, which could prevent overheating during long recording sessions. Enhanced stabilization, combining mechanical and electronic tech. DJI is already known for its industry-leading stabilization, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to integrate. 3-axis mechanical stabilization ensures super smooth footage even in high-motion scenarios. Enhanced electronic stabilization further refines small shakes and jitters. With this combination, we could see an even more stable shooting experience, perfect for handheld, walking, and action shots. Price and release date. What to expect? DJI has not officially confirmed pricing yet, but based on previous models and competition, we can expect the Osmo Pocket 4 to be priced between $450 to $600. As for the release date, the Pocket 3 launched in late 2023, so the next iteration could arrive by the end of 2024 or early 2025. However, leaks suggest an announcement sooner rather than later, so keep an eye out for updates. Final thoughts. Is the Osmo Pocket 4 worth waiting for? With a larger display, improved sensor, better autofocus, and extended battery life, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be one of the best portable cameras for vloggers and content creators. If the rumored 4K 240 FPS slow motion, 10-bit HDR, and improved stabilization turn out to be true, it could be a must-have upgrade. So what do you think? Are these rumored features enough to make you wait for the Osmo Pocket 4? Let me know in the comments. Stay tuned to Technology Review for more updates.